Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2011 government past question, question number 16. And the question number 16 says constitutionalism refers to dash. Constitutionalism refers to dash. First and foremost, the word constitutionalism is derived from the noun word constitution. So constitution is the document that contains all the laws and regulations that governed both government and citizenry. Now, when we talk of constitutionalism is a principle that encourage the obedience of citizenry and government to the laws and rules in constitution. So option A says the process of operating a constitution. Option B says strict adherence to a constitution. Option C say the process of drafting a constitution. Option D say amendment of an existing constitution. Since constitution is a document that contains all the rules, then for this rule is wanted to have rules and regulation or laws. So for people to obey it, that's what we call constitutionalism. So constitutionalism is strict adherence to a constitution. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.